All right, so if you keep seeing those little red dots or red numbers on your app icons and you want to turn them off, we can do that through Settings. I'm going to go to Settings and then go to Notifications. On some Android phones, towards the bottom of this menu, you'll see a toggle for Notification.on app icon. You toggle that off and you're all set. If you're on a Samsung phone like I am, we can go to Advanced Settings. And here you'll find a setting for app icon badges. You can just toggle those off completely, or you can go here and choose whether it shows a number or just a dot. You can also turn this off for just one app, in case you want to see them for some apps, but disable them for others. I like seeing them for text messages, for example, but definitely do not need to see red dots on the Google Play Store icon. So I can long press that app on my screen and tap into that little info button. Then on the app info page, we'll go to Notifications. From this menu, I can choose what kind of notifications are allowed. I could just disable notifications altogether if I want to, or if I just want to disable that red dot on the app icon, I'll disable it for the app icon badge specifically. And that's it. And that is how you get rid of the red app icons on your Android phone. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.